When it comes to reliability, brands like Toyota, Honda, and Lexus often lead the conversation. However, many other brands also offer dependable options. With so many reliable vehicles on the market, it's all about knowing where to look. And in this video, we'll be reviewing 7 standout models that prove just that. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. In one way or another, the 2024 Mazda CX-5 is one of the year's top crossovers. The CX-5 places a higher priority on an enjoyable driving experience than many of its rivals in its class. This nimble SUV increases overall driving enjoyment by providing enough speed to make interstate cruising effortless and excelling in parking and maneuvering tight turns. Several automotive critics have praised the CX-5's exceptional dependability in addition to its opulent and sporty appearance. The offered 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine has a sturdy construction and is available in 187 horsepower and 256 horsepower versions. The CX-5's engine has not yet been reported to exhibit poor performance or early wear. The all-wheel drive system, which is one of my favorite features, offers remarkable stability on a variety of terrains, and the 6-speed automatic gearbox is also smooth and exhibits promising lifespan. It is important to note that the CX-5 boasts a well-designed suspension system and chassis, which provide a regulated and comfortable ride. The driving experience is further improved by the incredibly dependable and user-friendly in-car technology and driver aid systems. Number 6. Subaru Impreza. Although the Subaru Forester and Crosstrek may be the brand's best-selling models, the 2024 Subaru Impreza is the brand's best-selling model. It is valued for a variety of reasons, including as its reasonable cost, better chassis, and more features than the base model. The improved body construction and remarkable dependability of the 2024 Impreza particularly appeal to many drivers. The 2.0-liter flat-4 engine with 152 horsepower and the more potent 2.5-liter flat-4 engine with 182 horsepower, which is only available on the RS model, are the tried-and-true engines that the Impreza still offers. Because both engines are built to last, they can withstand high usage with little need for maintenance, highlighting the Impreza's strong dependability. The Impreza offers a well-balanced combination of efficiency and performance in real-world testing. It's not a sports vehicle, but the ride is nonetheless entertaining and offers consistent, pleasurable handling. Advanced safety and technological features, such as Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system, further enhance its reputation for dependability. According to evaluations from Impreza drivers, this system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and pre-collision braking, is incredibly responsive and efficient. The 2024 Subaru Impreza is a desirable option for people looking for dependability and cutting-edge driving technology because of these characteristics, which operate flawlessly. Number 5. Volkswagen GTI. Reliability problems plague the majority of new Volkswagens, but the GTI is an exception. It has a comparatively greater build quality than the other Volkswagen models because it is one of the few that are still made in Germany and sold in North America. The GTI is a well-established model with few surprises because Volkswagen has been making it for decades. The GTI is one German vehicle that will serve you well if you take good care of it, even though it might be more expensive to repair out of warranty than alternatives like the Mazda 3 or Subaru WRX. Number 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The most recent 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata is sure to impress if you don't care about the amount of seats. With an emphasis on pure enjoyment over practicality, this two-seater is all about having fun while driving. Its fast driving sensation and well-tuned chassis go hand in hand with its two-door drop-top design. The adaptability of the MX-5 Miata is demonstrated by its smooth handling of difficult tracks and unexpected terrain. There is only one engine option available under the hood, a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower. Although it isn't the strongest engine, it produces a snappy and dynamic drive. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual or automatic gearbox, both of which are renowned for their reliability and seamless shifts. Specifically, the 6-speed manual is one of the best shifting gearboxes available, providing an outstanding level of engagement. The MX-5 Miata essentially has straightforward, sturdy mechanics. It's built with little fanfare, but it operates dependably and provides the kind of driving enjoyment you would anticipate from a vehicle for around $40,000. Number 3. 2024 Genesis G80. The 2024 Genesis G80, which starts at $55,000 and was obviously created with the premium market in mind, is a great option for individuals who are prepared to make a luxury investment. With its elegant design and lavishly equipped interior that radiates luxury even from the outside, this sedan provides a high-value package. The G80 is anything from delicate, even though it looks elegant. Despite not being a Lexus, it is built to survive longer than the majority of its competitors and has comparable durability. There are two potent engine choices, a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 375 horsepower and a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 with 300 horsepower. Because of their long-term engineering, both engines can withstand heavy use and lengthy trips with little to no degradation. The G80 can be adjusted to different road conditions because it is available in both all-wheel and rear-wheel drive variants. With standard features including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and a full airbag system, the 2024 G80 is loaded with features, including a suite of cutting-edge safety and technological systems, an outstanding 5-year 60,000-mile basic warranty, and a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty further reinforce its exceptional dependability, making it a luxury sedan that is as sophisticated as it is trustworthy. Number 2. Tesla Model 3. Even though there are still some disagreements and problems with the Tesla Model 3, it is still one of the best choices for everyone who is prepared to switch to electric cars. It performs admirably, handles remarkably well, and provides amazing value for the money. Excellent technology and notable advancements in construction quality have been made by Tesla. The Model Y is a nice option for people who require extra space, but the Model 3 is the vehicle that Tesla has really mastered. It's difficult to find a more robust choice if you're prepared for an EV. Number 1. Ford Hybrid Models. Ford has experienced quality issues on occasion, particularly with cars that have its EcoBoost turbocharged engines. Some Ford automobiles, especially their hybrid models, such as the Ford Escape Hybrid and the Maverick Hybrid, are able to avoid these problems though. This hybrid system, which is modeled by and almost exactly the same as Toyota's successful hybrid design, has been in use by Ford for 15 to 20 years. Ford, like Toyota, has a two-motor hybrid setup with a basic, normally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that has been around for more than 10 years, a hybrid battery, and a planetary gearbox. The typical problems with EcoBoost turbo engines that are present in other Ford vehicles are circumvented by this configuration. Although Ford has experienced recalls and quality issues over the years, this hybrid system has generally shown itself to be dependable and long-lasting. The Escape and Maverick hybrids are both incredibly well-designed and fuel-efficient cars. The Maverick Hybrid is a great buy and unquestionably one of Ford's greatest models because of its exceptional resale value. Thanks for watching.